You know, life goes on.
Hey, what is that? Oh my god. Oh my. They have to get. Is that a hollow generator?
It is.
Oh my god.
Let's see what I can do.
Oh my god. You know how much those are?
It can
Is that
listen.
music?
It can listen to
Let's
music.
get my
Get the
headphones.
headphones. Get the headphones.
Plug it in. Plug it in.
Does it work?
Yes.
Oh my
my
God.
gosh. Totally cool.
Hey, did y'all see what that girl wore the other day?
Y'all look it
It's on
up. There's
Facebook.
gotta be a picture.
It's on
It has
Facebook.
internet. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
oh
That's
my
the
God,
coolest thing ever.
Hey, you know what? We should see a movie later.
Yeah, yeah.
Wanna look at the
Yeah.
Here's the times. Here's the times.
Awesome.
We're not seeing Twilight.
We're going
no,
to see
no,
Twilight.
No,
We're
no,
going
we're
to
not.
That was a really good song.
That was a good song.
Hey, what's that?
It's a hollow generator. They're new. They're new. You like?
Does it have internet?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
has like
everything,
internet,
everything.
movies, everything.
Can I use it real quick? Cause
Yeah, sure.
How's it work?
Here, just open it up, and there's your keyboard, everything
It's
you
so
need.
it's so
Oh,
easy.
okay.
Got it?
Oh, okay. Oh, that's
You
really
need something
cool.
for your truck?
Yeah, it broke and I need a part.
Okay, well you can just order it off there.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, thanks.